Hi friends, BARC supplementary exam date is announced and which is on different slots. Those who have exam date on 1st November 2020 and other slots should never forget these things. Before important instructions, I'll tell you the things you should take with you to the examination center, which are very important. Guys, never forget to take these items with you to the examination center, otherwise you will not allowed to enter. First thing, of course, it's important, which is admit card. If possible, please take color prints. It's not necessary to take color prints, but photo and signature should be clearly visible. Okay, photo and signature should be clearly visible. Okay, and that's a must. And second thing is original valid photo ID card, which is also important. And third thing, blue or black pen. And the fourth, which is a mask. Due to the COVID pandemic situation, you should bring a mask and a hand gloves and a sanitizer, which is also a must of your own. You can't take it from others. Okay, you should take mask, hand gloves and sanitizer of 50 ml. Okay, these are a must. And affix a recent passport size color photo in this column. Here affix the recent passport size color photo here. And okay, the important thing, you should take with your admit card, original photo ID card, mask, hand gloves, sanitizer 50 ml and blue or black pen. Other things you cannot take to the examination center. Okay, these I think these 6 things are the important items. Okay, okay. And next thing to note is, you should affix a passport size color photo in this column, and then you have to sign in the presence of invigilator. You should not sign before that. Okay, and then you have in this part, okay, please return this slip with you. In case you are shortlisted, you will be required to produce this at the interview. It is clearly written here. And next things, important instructions. Okay, please read carefully, and complete candidates will be allowed to appear in the examination only with original photo ID. This is what I said earlier. You should take a photo ID, original photo ID. And these are the important instructions which are given. All the informations on this admit card, including photograph, signature and barcode, are clearly visible on the printout. That means these all should be clearly visible: photo, signature and barcode. So it is advisable to take a color print, but it's not a must. Okay, in case of any discrepancy, admit card information, please contact our help desk immediately, which is given. And these are all not necessary, you can read it. And the important things are this: printed copy of admit card for the examination. And the next thing, the valid photo ID cards are at least one original and valid photo identity card is necessary, not a copy. Okay, printed copy of the admit card is to be submitted for verification at the time of examination, and one valid photo identity card is must, not as photocopied or scanned or expired, such as voters ID, Aadhaar card, printout of e-Aadhaar, driving license, PAN card, passport, identity card issued by school, college, university or SSLC higher secondary school mark sheet with a photo. These are all the valid ID proofs. Okay, and okay, the photograph, please affix a recently taken photograph. That's what we already said. And banned items, mobile phone, etc., which are not allowed. And candidate should write his or her name on the application number on the rough sheet which is provided for rough work. Okay, Okay, malpractice, they are telling about malpractice. Okay, and candidates need to make his or her own travel stay arrangements. Okay, that's also important. The admit card is provisional, subject to the condition that the candidate has fulfilled the eligibility of. Okay, that's okay. Okay, and change of date, batch, center of the examination is not permitted under any circumstances, which is all that permit that facility is already given here, right? So mere issues of admit card. Okay. And the next thing they are saying about standard operating procedure for candidates appearing for online examination. The candidate must bring their own mask, hand gloves, and sanitizer 50 ml, which we have already said, without fail to the examination premises. Nobody will be allowed to sit inside the exam premises without these essentials. Okay, these are most important thing. Okay, mask and gloves should be worn at all times inside the examination venue, and they will check you with a non-contact digital thermal scanner will be used to read the temperature. Okay, and if the body temperature of the candidate is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius, suffering from cold, cough, then the candidate will not be allowed to sit inside allowed inside the exam premises. Okay, and the candidate can only take the admit card with recent photo of the candidate pasted, original government ID proof, blue or black pen, sanitizer 50 ml, face mask, hand gloves inside the exam lab. These are all the only things that we can take with us. Okay, the recent photo pasted in the admit card will be verified, that is the candidate appearing is same as in photo pasted and photo uploaded while applying registration. This is also an important thing. They are given it in bold letters. Okay, candidate will not be allowed to leave the exam premises till the end of the exam. Candidate must maintain social distance. Candidate must maintain social distance, minimum 1 meter distance. Okay, in all the areas, that is in the entrance gate, while checking the temperature, while checking the admit card and original government ID proof, while moving inside the premises, while using the hand sanitizer pump dispenser stand, waiting hall or room, while occupying the system in the lab, while exiting from the labs and exam premises. You should always maintain distance, minimum 1 meter distance. Okay, never forget this. Candidate will be seated in the labs with the social distancing. Okay, parents, friends, relatives of the candidates will not be allowed strictly inside the exam premises. The candidates are not allowed to share their belongings, mask, sanitizer, pen or hand gloves with other candidates. You should not do that. If you can, also you shouldn't do that. You should not do that. Okay, candidates must follow hygiene guidelines inside the campus premises. These are all for our own goods. So guys, you should follow these rules, and you should never forget to take these things. These are the, you should, if you have an admit card, you must check this 5th point and 6th point. Okay, and these all points are important, but you should never forget to mark this 5th point and take all the belongings with you. Okay, these are the 5 points you should take with you. Okay, admit card, original government ID proof, blue or black pen, sanitizer 50 ml, face masks and hand gloves. These 6 things you should bring. Okay, never forget this, and all the best guys. Thank you.